enti sma ka kire say we create no bookings no ye din nyina asesa edo aso na nabode amponim obodade the third the alleged Akyem Asuom Akyem no mate say you tuna this but mama nyisu man because I know this han home na ne mama nyisu man no ani dey ma mate say you tuna this so dey but mama nyisu man what I say mama nyisu man no that same no Bonohene si Penyah man can be enye Penyah nim say me no 5 and 6 media no so me no one there 5 and 6 unya no pass dia mama enti Penyah mama nka bi na Bonohene abe Canada o kan wie ya ana media TikTok is sponsored be air tattoo me man chire mu no chire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say any dem obe like video no that one put subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest updates na be chire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section me so ba so na share for so anya bi ache empany bible can say be o se sinti dia to ne de ebeba na mom de nam na so beba no onue enkura bedi mpanimfu atem na mom de nam panyine so a enkura bedi na atem no panyine no wonue edi dia kosi mi de me say no na amafo ni bia hit up me hu TikTok at mo hit omunya mfunso bia o to mu di papa we atem omunya bone because papa nan kasa na akokole insult upon himself onu ankasa ana akotwe yesi ofifi funani ase a ohu saman no opese wote obeti ankasa ense week no opese wote nasum no obeti nasum no opese wotie ote nasum and you know issue it shouldn't be said na yakochi we atum dabi be one no akasa o de vim na kasa.
I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas compared to those. I call them the sankwas 5.
Wakasa ne boso. Bawumia baby, Bawumia nyachimuni. Woni baby, so the nothing free. So I sankwas, former vice president to this country Ghana. Now umu ade kura fa ni die man as a former vice president, former second gentleman of the land. You rubbish him because of dirty politics. I didn't say Bonohene politics because of dirty politics. No, we fu awodenam, we fu di wani mu dan na adenam. Kakra bedi nti we fu di wani afubofwe we kan we ti bonkoso na we kan onwini sua nyansa na we kan. Kasei no we keka onwini sua nyansa na we keka. Emma you know, obelebu all the MPP aspirants no. Olebo mean as sankwas and me tell the sankwas means useless entity nipa hunu obi a wo mo obra bi aje say yo hwe ni mo he's full of empty hwe ni mu olebu wo mu as such anya no nko za ka kire Bawumia say na yere slay queen former second lady slay queen. Now you know are there papa we are no ho in actual sense he should have been arrested by now because we are causing chaotic zone adina why no adena papa we aye no wa cause chaotic environment unimuntia because e betima you be ahi betima ba so because the enkwofo na wudu matem omunyo mo followers omu adofo se de ye di wat meti hagi kama dwetira obuafu ya wo yi a omu do ehumia no mbuafu no sa na Bawumia mu no ma wudu matem no omu adofo they have family members e do keka ta nkwase ade betiro mu no usu anyansa dwene ho ese be ye obi ya ye kemi to de wadwa la hwe wadwa krache bro nwase naje na wo kasa no wo de okodo na kasa wo kan de ope bro nwase naje sangwase I can we kan na we say comedian so Bonohene have a plan squarely we be march no boot for boot
Chimasuom one fa chechen na
my be the whole clear
nananu mo awo Asuom Akyem maso akonye no mprekope minim say ye fro bi kronti hina wo ye kroniti
ne ka na da hodo
akwaba me papa from Midihene me ma me from Midihene me fra himfie ya tete me me ni mama mera akonya tuntum ahubi me bonton
ne ka na da hodo
do ni mama mera nsan amamere
ana papa dia na o ka no kulisi
enti a me se sa akronti hene no ye be dware no
say anya ho te ba na bi ni mpansa
because we dia tete magoro
ne ka na da hodo
ananya ne no start ya di sa tete magoro no o start ya che o start ya wo bura tete no onya nsuo ene obenya nsuo de ne behyem
oh the whole bad the whole brutal
Na a whole Crontino. Cronitino. Wahine ni wa Crontine.
Etumpa no krene dikan.
Now to be subject to ho. Sa sabe wo bia nka wasam dia. Ani e beka wasam.
Oh, the whole bed, the whole.
Sa sankwas Crontine no. Atima Asuom Crontine no. Wo ye sankwas.
But I mean, so.
Akwaba me de ne wasene siama no.
My been the whole clear.
Ayame yasa eye kuro kase atim Asuom. Akwaba nsama wo ma no samu jame wo hwe asama meka no want me nya me hu te so.
I think on this point.
Sani me so me hu no na me kire no. Sani ohun MPP. Nipa num aspirants nipa num Kennedy ohene Japan Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia adutum engineer Kwabena Jai ane hwan bre champon num no sana me so me hu no.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness.
Na se won free Bawumia krom so watime kana sem. On free Kennedy ohene Japan krom anso watime kana sem. Engineer Kwabena Jai won free Sabi Achima Suom anso watime kana sem. Adutum on free ni krom watime kana sem. Enti watime atra se a yeso ye betra sa ahye no ye bewura ne hiem ye ne na di ni pe.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. I got him, did you?
Some kwasia sam ni abodam sem we free he.
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
Kwasia sam ni abodam sem we free he. Wo bi yo hina ye buni pa no. Ye di wo buo ni ani die ma ya hemfo. Enti wo kwa amamre ni amane kwan so a agoro bi wo kra wo hene wo ni. Wo hene ntimi nkotena bia ba no adwana tare no wensa. Wahene ntimi nkotena wi base no ahye wabatena se no kan semhunu ye wa agoro bi ampanyifo odi kura wahene duru a wobegyina hodi ahwebi atwam
Ne ka na da hodo.
anya se wontimi ni agoro ne bio ba won kodi agoro no na obi akasa atia no edi na konwa atwitwi fom
Ne ka na da hodo.
enti wo ye ohene a eso ye measured
And a bed, I don't know, can you see?
okasa wonantia wadidie wanamontuo actions and inactions eso ye measured
I've been kase so that I've been get 20 ase.
enti wa nya measured now ya wadwene say wo de wa wotiri mpo selfish interest parochial interest intino bibia adu hu be hyemu a ene enu bedi sa agro no nkragro ne yedie
O can we know so one tears here? They are on headache.
sa wudi nkragro wo hina wudi nkragro continue wudi nkragro ya no bedi nkragro no wudi nkrasefo agro no bedi nkrasefo agro wo ye polite e be polite Omo pimpam Ghana Constitution, the 1992 Constitution, no, nanyansa o mutimo, katre kronti hine no.
And a bed, I don't know, can
Achima Suom kronti hine. Nana Buadi obuda o Fransa yin. Nana Buadi obudade, the third.
O can we know so one tears here? They are on headache.
Nana Buadi obuda dade, the third. Mon kantra ni straight, mami. Sir, omo tena se pimpam the 1992 Constitution no omo de wo buo ema ya hemfo because omo na custodians of the land.
Jenia kasa.
Enti Article 276 clause 1 of the 1992 Constitution is the clear say wo ya wo hina partisan politics enye
Ne ka na da hodo.
when ya jimi ni kwase asem na meka o.
Oh, the whole bed, the whole brutal.
Article 276 clause 1 of the 1992 Constitution is the clear. Say wo ye wo hina ade from the partisan politics enye. Enkojina political party bi achi. Na hunta political party na chi. Na tinsem hunu wo krom ha. Ah, na papa ho nanim no.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness.
Achima Suom Kronti hene wayan disini. I'm telling you today.
Ne ka na da hodo.
Wabi anim say wayan disini.
But I mean, slow.
Wayan disini a one problem. Obeka wa samwa wa problem.
And a bed, I don't know, can you see?
But akonya na wo tisu ntino wo ka samwa fa nyansa to ho.
Me need time to waste.
Wo ya Kronti hene wo ta akonya so akonya kase na mimi wo kromo apapa nka mimi atu no.
Etumpan.
on deserve so be ya Akyem Asuom kronti hene
ne ka na da ho
amamra ni amane kwan so papa we nkesi apam no ne ohwa na hene ma ya dimirika boys yenkọ ni abro ni apam no na Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia who continue nyankono no
Penyah kasa.
Wei.
Kennedy ohene Japan wo sa Akyem Asuom kronti hene no sabe na wadawroma wo nyankono no trasidin sober reflection wo nyankono no
Wa.
engineer Kwamina J wo nyankono no Dr. Duchum wo kronti hene wo nyankono no
Wei. Boy.
wa fa no
Wei.
Brian Champon ono free eastern region ha meboa wo nyankono no wa fa no awo den ho because one set churches attitude yeti
Omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no.
one set attitude for attitude ya tay into no wo tan sankrofo we
Wei. Boy.
wonu omo nya adwene wo ye kronti hene omo ntimi medi mampanyina wo se me de e ka me nkwan kankrofo we mi ento aba mo me no ni issue but don't refer to them as sankwas.
o kan wie no so won
A reckless comment from wo Akyem Asuom kronti hene Nana Buadi Obudade the third.
o kan wie no so won ti ase de ai wono head
So I him for to me can't I'm telling you today. And time see me be daro no. I said the adwene show team.
but me nso so
Adwene ne kofom.
but me nso so
Probably be now no you your problem na akọ asase mo yi.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
In Sunday me nim so nim no se wi nim no jot me ni.
My adwene da ho clear man no nsa man no hwe my adwene da ho
Nti na adwene da ho no ka asase mo ka tese wodi nkuragro. Kronti hini ni sa nkuragro no. Bia wa no ka tena nkurofo a sabe ba ku betuma ba mampanyini e wo Ghana se omo ye sankwas.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Na wo kra ya se Akyem Asuom bebre mpe wasem.
Hey.
Akoba dia me tete kra ni se ye se akwa kra ye tu ni pen.
Hey.
Me tete. Se ase wo akunyan kra tu no afiri so pen. Kade me tete sa NDC. Internal premise wo kogina aye. Sanko peso APC. Amfa yanto ama obi anim wo kromo. Obi anim no. Olusu poto.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Na wutimi bia wa no ba out na be kasa ansem wo ya. Papa ankoye.
Ne ka na da ho no
Sa constitution ya di adwuma before John Dramani Mahama ye man pan ni betwa na adwen se wo se akobio no this is a referendum.
Wa. She.
Ye ya amendment in the constitution and dia wo hene na bonti wo hu won kenkan. On kenkan because on kenkan if President Mahama decide to go today omani ya mampanyi Mahama dia na bisa o hene no so omani nya Mahama dia
Penyah kasa.
omani nya ndisifo dia
Penyah kasa.
enya Mahama to onko an otua
Etumpan.
enya ndisifo onko an otua to okrum ha
Etumpan.
and where from if Mahama decide to go again.
Wei. Boy.
No one was still a ring gold. Ghana for Bonnie Diamus continue of Fresium. Only continue your 2 days by 1.5 years in it. Gamma this in what I say. Would rest your man. Also, Pagamma this in fear. The whole assume all on your tone read. Newafa or not, much in fear and natural for renum, as a fanquala renum. Way, ever to a continue. Yet 2 days 1.5 years in it. Mumusano, Mrs. Sablante way. Sablante when I make an answer, Muntiano. Way. Sablante, Muntie. Wait.
So he would not even go there at all. So trying to become president is one way of passing through the back door. Because no
Wait, friend, who saw you continue was you. Wait, Bema Tiniche, Bema Nimuni, Bema Bassanin Toma. Wait, but my friend who continue was you. Missy more bien friend continue. Mon question, Gobusa. Ebra, on the concession was you. And who's the 100,000 company 11? Over who content say, scan away. Our friend who continue Ghana for me see. More friend who continue, no one to me continue was you. Yet 2 days 1.5 years in it. Or no hono. Ni fie, no test you from Cola Real, near to we was you. Near to we was you, or no fie, it is any per way. I yet told we were fie, ever internet so, I can't say we're not so gidia, nay, what was them. Who needed it? Aquala Caticate and the champion was you. Now, what about now, the Bawumia, Papa B? Samira Bawumia, Papa B, who did not them. Good hoofing. I'm the one who needed it. na ye kan mo ya mo say e na konti here ofresium we betimi ofresium ofresium be wotimi nye konti here because esium no enyansafo nko an egu ho tamam din be konti here onu ani nua be ka che say oni ni nua wo sa branch o kasa yi onu ani nua be ka che say oni ni nua awo etimi efa ni sia de so eti ancha ni tu na de so we ye twedwa gu ni naso etu na de so okoche bi a wan wo here ni okọ jail asambe yo he kokofodua ni tu kokofodua ye na koche bi we twedwa gu ni so e ma che bi hinim asam mi kan say ye tu na de so amoche for the penny mun kokobusa no esantrofo mun kokobusa se ye tu na de so a ye tu na de so o ti nye konti he ofosu ya penten ene twa odagu ni naso edni ko ochebi asem ochebi se sie aye mu asem ni ko anwie etu o ti munye kontin wasuom ti mo bia fe kontin mfem no mo ka chen se o me bo konta masomfo na somfo hwom sika compare the 11 and obi man 100,000 every month bia mo gold double ma o man no gold ni nyina wan o me bo konta somfo se kontin.
This thing at the top of my video, have you seen it? This thing, this foolish thing, who just, threw and wandering words around about Dr. Bawumia. Can we call this thing a king? A chief, sorry. Can we call him a chief? This is the most foolish man that I have ever seen on earth. I was trying to say, like, maybe his people will come up with a letter or a statement that they have sent the man to a rehab center. But unfortunately, I've waited patiently. I decided not to talk about it. But I see that the family believe that this man is normal. But he's totally mad. He's a madman. Wallahi, Bawumia is far, far better than all his generation born and yet unborn. Bawumia is far better than them. And so, if a foolish old man does not have sense and they put camera on your face and you say, hey, Bawumia, you put John Mahama here, see a foolish man. Don't just bring yourself to MPP. We are warning you. I'm going to petition the IGP to arrest this man, or else this man has opened the floodgate for insults. He has opened the floodgate for insults. This, we call this one a king. Come, hey, chief, come on. So how will Ghana develop? How? Can you imagine a foolish old man put the camera on the face? Bawumia, if you put all of them together, John Mahama away there. Who dropped the John Mahama? If not foolishness, have you asked yourself, which country will use 1.2 billion to purchase luxurious jet? And every day, its citizens will be on the street demonstrating. Nations are always demonstrating. On demonstrations, teachers are on demonstrations, and a whole lot of other sectors. Just recently, technical university or whatever, they went on strike, indefinite, and teachers too are preparing to go on strike. And you see, so what criteria have you used to measure that John Mahama outweigh all the MPP aspirants? See, we are telling you people that you think your foolishness can sustain this man third term. We know you are testing the waters, and he should try and see that he want to go third term. He should try it. You have just come, you are paying people, foolish men, all the foolish people in this country, the media. Just recently, we are told that they have WhatsApp platform, that they need to brand the government, look good. So anything that happens, they have to discuss it there. We, the youth, must arise. We must arrive to save this country. These old greedy men, want to kill our future, and we will not allow them. They are just greedy. They don't want the young to grow. And they put their camera, they flash, Jimmy. This man must be arrested.
Our reading. Okay, board members. Now, oh, there be. Tie. Mama tie. Sebi fracture. So, if you say, you're Dr. Bawumia, you be in an Indian or come over for become. So, opinion sort on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, only say program the MUA. So, ya way, say program the Yadi baby, which I know, say on ye, men can be being fan son running. Sebi man penino dear, and you know, to me, run another dunk of what any, no one can send Tiano. How much more wow, Cheto Crobim, I had to a conyaso class and you're grunting in it. Naka sabin some fins, some furniture, the new patriotic party ma. Now your opposition, I say in Tonguram. Yeah, Pakistan for Zimbabwe for you know my Ghana for. Now to what you job and show tea, now to show who kufu said your quack. Also cry for him for her, Bembe Nimpa, or no they can some today. Oh yes. Can you imagine?
Jenny,
say any
fight means then a baby or can't no credit is also young now be used to same way.
Okay, and then I'm sorry, but what I'm saying is said in a new way yen and more to send Munyam and him to do or they can say Saka saying yet that yatren. Saka san no cocassatia the mine here, yet they were on one yama. Minim the sea, minim the assassin a robber. Often and trap ever asha. Sebi over the weekend. Sebi ota fracture. Sebi a red and now say be a bibi hun so crown one.
Jenny, I will not. Jenny,
to the wide mammy, our comment session. I hype Penyah Media.